Look, Charlie.
Okay, Lukey.
Circle in the snow.
What have we got there?
Guess what she's going to make?
And what is it?
Love heart.
And what do you want to do?
Make love heart.
And how are you going to do that?
I don't know.
Oh, what do we need to get to make them? You were telling me earlier.
I'm going to get a mix.
A mixer?
Yeah.
And what else?
And you have to blind it up.
Okay.
And
what else? What needs to put in the mixer?
like some
Sugar?
yeah.
Yeah. What else?
And salt.
And salt?
And then ginger.
Ginger?
And then you have to put
Traits. Okay. Oh wow. Why are you whispering?
Because
It's a secret.
yeah.
Oh.
Secret from the camera.
Oh, secret from the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
And secret from.
And then what do we do when we've mixed them up?
Okay. We put it in the oven, and then we put our other blinder up.
Okay.
What's really sharp,
Yeah.
and then we have to put a blind of strawberry in the hard strawberry.
Oh.
Hard.
Hard strawberries in it.
Yep.
And when we're going to do this?
When the camera's finished.
Okay.
And yeah.
I know. It's an igloo.
Do you like talking in front of the camera, Luke?
And there's the front door.
I like whispering
Whispering, do you?
in your ear.
Okay.